I was once told never to underestimate a meat-free vegetable soup on a cold winter's day. Today I'm making my chunky minestrone orzo soup. Lots of vegetables, lots of different textures, and very, very good for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me for today's video presentation. It's February here in the UK, still quite cold, so I'm making a very hearty, very good for you, chunky minestrone soup. It's one of those soups that leaves you feeling nourished and refreshed, and it's very good for you indeed. We'll be needing some onions, peppers, celery, carrots, kale or Savoy cabbage, some mushrooms, some green beans. I'm using orzo as the pasta, canned tomatoes, chicken stock, some lovely cubed potatoes, some tomato paste, some fresh parsley, oil, olive oil and butter. Then I will need some oregano, salt, pepper and sugar, and a fair quantity of minced garlic. Right then, shall we get cracking because it's freezing cold outside? I want a big bowl of hearty, chunky minestrone soup. So let's get the butter and the olive oil all sizzling away. Adding our diced peppers, onions, fresh parsley, followed by the carrots and the celery, some oregano, some minced garlic, a bay leaf. Stir that round for about 3 or 4 minutes. Give it a good mix round with a wooden spoon. That's it. Now it's time to add the mushrooms and the chopped up green beans. Another few minutes of stirring. Now I'm going to add my cabbage or kale cut into strips and my cubed potato. I want to once again spend another 5 minutes stirring everything round. And then I'm going to throw in a quantity of water. I'm going to bring that to the high temperature, pop the lid on and forget about it for 15 minutes on a medium-low heat. By which time all those vegetables have begun to soften. Let's put in our tomato paste, shall we, and mix that in really, really well. And once you've done that, we can add the second lot of tomato. This time it's a can of chopped tomatoes. Mix that in, bring it up to temperature. And once that's all mixed in, we can put in our orzo. Like I said, you can use other pasta if you prefer. All the instructions and tips will be in the description box below. Click on the word more. Stir that orzo in to all those hot ingredients. And once you have, it's time to add the liquid. I'm using a really simple chicken broth. You can use any broth you fancy, veggie stock, anything. Put all of that in and then stir everything round, and we're going to bring this to a vigorous boil. Look at all those fabulous vegetables. Absolutely wonderful. It's just screaming, eat me, it's so healthy. Pop the lid on and forget about it for 20 minutes. And we've been cooking that for 20 minutes on a medium flame, by which time everything is soft and pretty much cooked. Let's just have a close-up of all those fabulous vegetables. Celery, cabbage, carrots, potatoes, orzo pasta. Absolutely fabulous. The only thing left to do now really is to add our seasonings. In with some salt, I'm using Himalayan pink, some cracked black pepper and a quantity of sugar. Give that a really good stir round and it's pretty much ready. It's time to serve. I'm ready for my dish of soup, are you? And there we are. A really hearty, chunky soup. Perfect for the cold weather. Look at those lovely potatoes, bit of celery, some fabulous green cabbage in there. Absolutely wonderful. It really is quite perfect for a cold day. Nourishing, it's got all those things you need. I'm just going to throw a few sourdough croutons on top. Make sure they're chunky. We don't want them to be too different to the size of the vegetables. And there we have it. Absolutely fabulous. It's my chunky minestrone orzo soup, everybody. And hey, don't forget everyone, if you've enjoyed the video, do subscribe, do tell your friends, do leave me a comment, let me know how you feel about the soup, and don't forget to smash that like button. It's absolutely wonderful, and I'm starving. I'm gonna get stuck in.